Hi everyone, I have a pretty large, maybe it's not so large and I just spent a lot of money, I don't know, but I have a thrift store haul to share with you guys. I went out looking for Halloween items and I scored big time, you guys. So I found this Disney store little like anniversary hat, which I did not have, and it was only $2. The like mini headbands, I actually collect those, and for a long time I was able to like keep up with the new ones, but now they come out with like multiple for like Halloween and Christmas, and then I haven't been able to keep up anymore. But I have a ton of these, so I definitely needed that for my collection. For 50 cents there was this really cute little tote bag, and I like that it had the little like peeping window, so I thought that was really cute. And I did hit 10,000 subscribers this month of October, which is my favorite time of year. So I do want to do a giveaway, so stay tuned for that. I haven't figured out exactly what I'm going to do, but that's why I want to get this video out, and hopefully I can use some of this stuff for that. Let's see, this one was only 50 cents. I don't know why they put it to 50 cents, but I am very happy about it. Like, look at this. This has to be like old stickers, right? Like, I don't even know where you would buy these at anymore. So there was that sticker, this one that was used, and there was this sticker sheet that was used, but still super cute. And then there is another sticker sheet in the background that's used, but still has a lot of pieces. So I'm not mad at it for 50 cents. I honestly would have paid 50 cents just for this little sticker sheet alone. So not mad at that. These were gross is why I bought them. They were $1, and I just thought that it was, like I said, just gross. So they are like little plastic rats with their big old tails hanging out of the bag, and I was like, ew, and I was like, I need it. Why? I don't know, but I did. So I got those. 50 cents for these bags. Look, they used to be 97 cents. How cute is that? So I don't know where these are from, but they were cute. So 50 cents. I said yes. And this was also 50 cents, and it's tissue paper. That was originally $2, and I love this Halloween paper right here. So, oh, there's 4 sheets of each. I was hoping that there would be. And then these were pretty cool. These were $2. Kind of looks like maybe it came from like Temu or Ali or something like that, but I'm like, you know what, it's here, I'll go ahead and get it. It's really cute. I like this one that was the spine. I thought that was cool, so I want to keep that one for myself. And then there's just a bunch of other little bone pins in here, so hopefully they work. I guess, let's see, we could try it out now since I own it. Oh yeah, they do work, so perfect. I was kind of afraid, like, what if they're old and they don't work, but they do. Oh my gosh, you guys, look, I found lock, shock, and barrel socks. And these were $2. I love Nightmare Before Christmas. I'm actually wearing a pair of the Nightmare Before Christmas socks that you guys gave me in my recent pillbox swap. So, love those. Let's see, $1.50. It was No Me Homies. Like, how could I say no? And then it has the magnet in the back to go up on the fridge. Definitely love that. I always need a notepad on the fridge. These were cool. I wish that I could have got some more like these. I was hoping and looking that I'd find some, but I didn't. But these are really cool. They are little skull picks, and these were $1. I don't know. I just thought they were really cool because it has like little rainbow glitter in there. Let's see. Oh, I got another paper pad here. But this one has the little kitty and then the notepad in the background. That was $2. I just really like the kitty. This one was $1, and it is a sequence spider. So definitely needed that. You guys know how much I love my spiders. This one was 50 cents, and I don't know all that's exactly in here. So we're going to find out together. Ooh, is that like a dripping heart? I definitely did not know that that was in here. So these are little picks that are like already done. Oh yeah, look, a little drippy heart. There is Boo to Be. What is that for? Boo to Be. Oh, is this like a like Halloween wedding maybe? Boo to Be? Huh, maybe. And then let's see what's in this one. Oh my gosh, you guys, I took out the other pack and I can see the ring right here. It is like a Halloween wedding set. How cool is that? If I ever got married, I would love to get married on Halloween. Oh, cute. Till death do us part. That is so cool. Oh, party. It actually says party. I'm like thinking like a wedding. And then here is the little skull with the heart eyes. Super cute. Definitely can use those. Then I got some more picks for 50 cents. These are just nice little fillers. Or you can even just take those off and use them as like little die cuts for your embellishments. Okay, this one you guys know why I had to get it. There was a jack right there, so how could I not? It was 50 cents, and it's some kind of promotion for Freeform. I don't know where this came from, but they're little tattoos. So I'm like, I could definitely use these on my paper project, and I actually like the paper in the background. It's like splattered orange, so I can use that also. Oh man, I just dropped all my bags. Didn't realize it was open. 50 cents for these. Oh, they're like two different styles, or... Oh, this first one must have paper so you can see what it looks like. Yep, that's what it is. There's just a paper in there so you can see. So got those bags. These were $1. Don't know what I'm going to do with them, but I needed them because, I don't know, I'm crazy. Oh, you know what? I have a small Halloween tree that I put on the table. I'm going to put this under there and put my tree on top. Okay, there we go. Already figuring it out. Love that for me. Yay, me. So $1 for, what is there, like 4 of those? And then these were 50 cents, and they are just little picks with the witch hat. I don't know why. They had a ton of those picks, and I was just all about it, I guess. So, this was $1.50, and I didn't know exactly what it was, but I threw it in the basket. So I think it's like maybe like a party game. Oh yeah, so I guess it's like a little like party game type of a thing. So it'll be cute to go through and check it out with Sunny and see what we come up with. And then after we're done using it, I can use it for hopefully doing a junk journal. I would love to do a Halloween junk journal one year. So I don't think I'll get to it this year. So I might just have to wait off until next year. These were $1. They're little spiders. Of course I needed them. And then they had bats, and of course I needed those because I love this one that hung upside down. So I got those. I think they're just paper though, so like nothing too fancy. Oh, this one I got for my mom. She wanted to do some Mickey ornaments, so she needs red, black, or not orange, yellow. So when I saw this one, I'm like, you know what, I'm gonna grab this. It's only $1. I'm sure it's cheaper than what it would cost me to get a thing over at Hobby Lobby. Then they just had the little crinkle fill, and that one was $1. Okay, this one was just like a little mystery pack. I think it is fabric, but this one was $1. And I know I can open these, but I don't like to open them. I like just buying it, and what I get is what I get. I mean, $1's not that bad, so... Yeah, I think it was fabric, and whoever did this put like backing on there, so it's like a little bit stiff. So, oh, that's cute with the little kitty. So I think maybe it's like, I don't know if it's iron-on. So maybe they're just little like iron-on patches. Oh, look at that guy. Again, these would be perfect for like scrapbooking or junk journals. Oh, see, I like these. I'm very, very happy for the $1. Somebody put a lot of work into cutting these out and putting the backing on. So very happy about that. Oh, is that like the Hulk? Probably, right? Oh yeah, see, look, Marvel Comics. Oh. Yeah, see, I think this is just like an iron-on backing, but they didn't finish this one. So I'll have to finish cutting that one out. And then I don't know if this is just meant to look vintage or if it actually is vintage. That would have been cool to really know. I think that they're like little frames. Okay, I gotta stop looking through all of these. So I'm like, I would look through every single one. These are cool. What are they, like little playing cards? Okay, so there's that. No surprise, more little baggies. So these were $1 from wherever they came from, but I got them for 50 cents. Had to get the spiders, had to get the cool little pumpkins on here. And this was a really cool find. Look, it's Pumpkin Mickey. He was $3. And I didn't have him in my stash already, so definitely needed him. And then there was another Mickey. He is like kind of dress up of how he looks at Disneyland. Oh man, I'm dropping stuff. Oh, it actually says doesn't work. I didn't know that it was supposed to work. So he was $3. Oh, that's interesting. I wonder why he doesn't work. Yeah, I didn't even see that until right now. But I did get, which is kind of sad because I got Woodstock right here. And Woodstock does work. And Woodstock was $3. So why would Mickey, who doesn't work and is dirty, cost just as much as Woodstock, who is clean and actually works? So that's kind of a bummer that they priced those the same. But I'm going to see if I could get Mickey to work. Okay, these were so cool. I kind of want to get it just for like the little plastic. I think these were, yeah, these were 50 cents each. And then this was $1.50, and I just thought those were really cute. I kind of want to put my plants in here. I've just really gotten into my plants lately. This was just a little cookbook. I'm always looking for like nice, easy meals type of a thing. And I think these come out to $1 at this store. I think paperback is $1. I got that one. Okay, I also got a dictionary, which again I think was $1, because I thought about doing ATC cards and then putting the word as the background. So like if I find mummy, put that as the background, then put like a sticker or a die cut of a mummy, and then, you know, build it up from there type of a thing. So that's what I wanted to do with this one. And then they had a Peter Rabbit book that came out to $2 because their kids hardback are $2 there. And I just thought it was really cute. And I love when there is writing inside the book. So I always try to get those. And then even the cover is really cute. So I was thinking maybe do like a Easter junk journal type of a project thing. And only a couple more items here. They wrap up their glass in, what is it called? Wrapping paper all the time. So I end up getting wrapping paper as an extra bonus. This was just cool. So anything that was slashed red was 50% off. Oh, how funny. Look, it was originally at Goodwill for $4, $3.99, and then they put it for $3.50, and then it still didn't sell. How crazy. So again, I was thinking putting a plant. I just thought it was really pretty for my plants. I got that one. Oh, look, I ended up finding another pack of red to give to my mom. So that was only $3.50. And then there was a little witchy poo that I thought was cute. It's just a little ornament. That was 50 cents. So I love how she looks. I have a big 4-foot black Christmas tree that I put my ornaments on, as well as the little table one. So she'll go live on that. And then this, I don't know if it's like, I know there's an alcohol company that has their alcohol in a skull head, so I don't know if that's where this came from or not. But for $1.25, I was like, yep, I'll just take it because I like the skull head and don't know what I'm gonna do with it, but still really cool. I mean, I could technically put like one of my viney plants to come out of here, and then I would be able to see all of the roots down in the bottom, which might be really cool as well. But yeah, so that's my little haul from today. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you guys are having an amazing day, and we'll see you later. Bye guys.